Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? It is time for a limited edition die set. Now, stop the video right now and go get it, okay? Because I'm just saying, every time we have a limited edition, sometimes it sells out in 1 day, sometimes it sells out in 2 days, sometimes it does take maybe a week sometimes. But I always, huh, Kenny, every single time, this always happens. People will come up to me at a convention a month later and say, do you have any extra of those limited edition? Because I was gonna order it and then I blah, 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 blah. No, I'm sorry. That's the whole thing about limited edition. It's fast, boom, bang, get it done, get it now. Now, just a heads up, if you're a club member, we give you an extra 24 hours notice so you can go get them before the general public. So it's just another little, perk for being a club member. You get 24 hours advance purchase options, which is good because limited editions, we all remember the candy corn, right? I mean, that flew out the door and people are begging me for that. I could probably sell one on eBay if I wanted to. If we ever found one, Kenny, we should do it for charity or something. Wouldn't that be good? On eBay or something? Anyway, back to this. Ready? So now you're back. You've already purchased it. You've already seen it. So I'm going to show it to you now. It is the Fish Fold It. And let me tell you, this die is perfect. Of course, it's the A2 in size, so it fits in a standard envelope. But it's perfect for paper piecing. What do I mean by that? Well, look at this. Look at how adorable my little fishy is here. Now, it does not come with the hat. The hat is separate, but look at how cute that is. All of those pieces are die cut using these. There's technically only 2 dies in here, but really it cuts out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, okay? So it's all put together, but look at how dang adorable this little guy is. Now I have some more samples. Here's another fun one. Now, if you haven't gone to get it, go get it now and come back, because I'm telling you, people say they watch the video and then they forget to go get it or whatever, or it's gone by the time. I'm telling you, it's limited edition. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? Cute, cute, cute. Here's another cute one. Okay, now that you're back, I've even had people say, oh, I went to get it and I put it in my cart and I watched the rest of the video and then it was gone before I got it before I could pay. I know, I'm telling you. It's like if you're at the Black Friday sales at these big box stores and you put stuff in your cart and you're still shopping and then you go look like at bathing suits or something and you go and you look at your cart and someone took something out of your cart. That's kind of what it's like. So you have to pay for it so they can't take it. Now, we also have, which is really important, the solids for tropical flowers. I think that's what it's called. What is it called? It says solids for tropical. Okay, there you go. So this is gonna coordinate with your club stamps and dies. Now it has more wording and it has those solid images, which are really important when you wanna do fun things like this. Look at this. Remember I showed this in the other video. Here we have the die cuts and then here we have the solid images all the way around it, which is really fun. Here's another fun one. This stamp set is perfect for those of us, me included, let me tell you, that do not like to color or don't have the time or energy or the patience to really color. Look at that, boom, done. You stamp these stamps in whatever color you want with our ink pads because our ink pads are solid surfaces, boom, boom, done. Right? Isn't that awesome? So much easier than trying to color and be perfected and everything like that. Now, if you want to color, more power to you, right? But if you need a faster card, and you know I'm all about fast, but the looks that wow, you're going to want this stamp set. Oh, look at the cute little sailboat. That was a club set back in the day. Look at how, look how pretty this one is. This one, who did this one? Leslie did this one. Look how pretty this is. This is just die cut with a circle. Isn't that fun? And it has it hanging, and it's double-sided. Just hanging. Isn't that adorable? I love that. So fun. Ooh, look at the gorgeousness of this one. Oops, upside down. Hang on. I got to figure out which way I'm doing it. Oh no, I think I had it the right way. Look how pretty that is with that background. That's our new, one of our new medium backgrounds. Look at this. Look at what the dies. Happy birthday, babe. Isn't that cute? Oh, look at this one with the solids. Again, the dies with the solids making their own pattern paper, which I love that. Oh, and I think I have 2 more fishies left to show you. So here's another cute little fishy. I'm telling you, if you like the fish, go get it now. Limited edition. Once they're gone forever. But I do think we should hold one back and sell it on eBay for whatever, for charity. I think that'd be really cool. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Totally with glitter paper. So go check those out. The limited edition fish. If you don't see it on the website, that means it's gone. So I'm sorry about that. But go get it quick if you like it. Now, if you don't like it, then we're fine, right? You're good, right? Some of you might not. That's okay. I mean, I don't know. But, you know, if you like it, get it now. Just saying. Also, club members, your club sets are on their way to you with that special extra freebie. If you don't know what I'm talking about and you're not in the club, go watch the club video on this product because you're going to want that freebie for our free online September event. Also, club members, you're getting the club discount on these as well. So the limited edition fish, yes, you're still getting your 15 or 20% discount. Just saying. It's like we pay you to be club members. It kind of is. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.